Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about social media practices. How do you do social media? What do you do on social media? You know, in today's marketplace, if you're not in social media or some sort of social media, I mean, at some point you're gonna die, because our consumer is only getting younger and younger and younger now. And the first place they go is social media. So practices on social media, look, I'm doing it. I'm damn near 50 years old. I'm talking to you right now, right? And the key is in each industry, you have to make a lot of noise, because the industry out there is really noisy. How do you deal with that and pivot to that? Make more fucking noise than everybody else. That's how you got to do it. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.